it's Shauna from Bathtubber here to help you make a splash. Today, I want to show you how to make an all-natural 5-ingredient bubble bath that will give you the bubbliest bubbles, and you can whip it up in a flash. The reason this recipe is all natural is because we're using SLSa, which stands for sodium lauryl sulfoacetate. This is made from palm and coconut. So right here, I have 4 cups of hot water that I just heated for about 4 minutes in the microwave. I'm going to pour it into my mixing bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dissolve 6 tablespoons of SLSa into the hot water. I am going to stir that with a whisk. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in 6 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. I'm going to stir that in. Now all we need to do is add our colorant and our scent. So I'm using rose scent. I'm going to drop in 15 to 20 drops. I love that smell so much. And then I'm using soap dye until the color looks good to me. And oh, it's so pretty. Rosy bubbles. And I'm going to be giving this batch as little holiday gifts in a gift basket that I'm making. So I'll be using these little half-cup containers. So right now my rosy bubbles have the consistency of water, but they're gonna cool and harden a bit into a thicker, creamier consistency. So I'll cover these gift containers, and tomorrow, once they've hardened a bit, I'll give them a good shake, and they'll be foamy and gorgeous. And let's make bubbles. You can see how gorgeous these are. If you're interested in the other DIY recipes that I'm putting in my bath box, be sure to check out my salt scrub recipes and my sugar whip recipes on my channel.